life where money isn't a constant worry, but a tool to turn your dream into reality. Think and comment in the comment section. Well, you are in the right place. Today, I have got a golden ticket to financial success, and it starts with simple yet powerful strategy. I will share it. But before that, if you are new here on this channel, welcome to this channel. Here I share tips and techniques for each area of life. Currently, I share the techniques for financial well-being in the form of challenges. If you think these videos are helpful, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and click that bell icon so that you will receive the notification in time. Now let's start. So take out your pen and paper and take a lots of notes till then intro, and we will meet after intro. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of financial strategy. I'm your host Pratibha, a naturally expert and color therapist, and I'm on mission to help people to live happy, healthy, and peaceful life. So buckle up. We are about to unlock the secrets to a financial empowered life, and this video is the part of 30-day money mastery challenge, and today is day 19th. If you missed the previous videos, go and watch it. Now let's start. So what exactly is financial strategy? It's about making deliberate choices today to secure a better tomorrow. Think of it as your roadmap to financial freedom. Now, here is the tip of the day: embrace the power of budgeting. Do you know that budgeting is not about the restrictions, it's about empowerment. Therefore, track your finances or track your spending, set realistic goals, and watch how it transforms your financial landscapes. Remember, every dollar or rupee has a purpose, so give it one before moving ahead. If you think this video is useful, then like it, and don't forget to share it with your near ones, because sharing is caring, right? Now, let's get hands on with some techniques that will redefine how you manage your money. I'll share three techniques, so take a lots of notes. The first technique is emergency fund mastery. Now, building an emergency fund is like creating a financial safety net. Define your monthly saving goal, and slowly but surely you will have a cushion for life's unexpected curveballs. The second technique is debt conquest. Now, attack your debt strategically, whether it's students' loan or credit cards. Create a plan to pay them off. This not only save money on interest, but boost your financial confidence. And the third and the last strategy is investing 101. Don't just save, invest wisely. Understand the basics of investing like stocks, bonds, and diversification. The power of compound interest can work wonder for your wealth over time. Before we wrap up, I'm reminding you that don't forget to subscribe the channel for such empowering content. Now, let add a human touch to our financial journey. Remember, it's not just about number, it's about life. Therefore, set realistic goals. Keep in mind that your financial goals reflect your life's goal. Whether it's buying a home, traveling, or starting a business. Let your money pave the way to your dreams. Start celebrating small wins because every step counts for achieving success. Celebrate a small victories on your financial journey. It could be paying off credit cards or reaching a saving milestone. Acknowledge your progress. And let's start learning and adapting. Remember, financial strategies evolve just like a life. So stay informed, be open to learning, and adapt your strategy as needed. Flexibility is a key to long term financial success. There you have it, guys. The keys to a successful financial strategy. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit that like button. If you think this video is useful, don't forget to share it also. And remember, it's not about being perfect, but about making intentional choices. Therefore, start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial future flourish. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay financially savvy. More power to you. Take care.